in this fight for labor, Walmart comes out again with another program to add more incentive to make them more of an employer of choice. And this program is set to net their potential employees up to a $210,000 salary. It's the store manager program. And currently, it is available to current employees who are hourly, which most people start off as store employees that are in their executive level. But this will now be offered to out new graduates with the purpose of about a 2-year rotation. And the purpose of it is to for them to build a talent pool, and you get accepted into the program, and they're accepting nearly 1,000 people into this program. And then of the top performers, they start you off with a $65,000 salary to get in, and then you go through the 2-year rotation, and at the end of the program, you become what they call an emerging coach. And from that emerging coach is where you start to go up to that next role of the store manager, which again, the goal is to get to that average salary of $210,000. It's a great opportunity, even again now, for existing employees and often people who maybe you're in retail and leadership and you're looking for a way to transition and move your career forward. $210,000, regardless of what inflation is doing, it's a very attractive offer to build your income.